Hi. So, uh, hello, and this is your second class. As I told you, already you know my name is Shubhradip Ganguly, and I'm representing Root Computer Center. Right. So today I'll show you something. Rather, I'll tell you something that on the second class we need to know that four things why we need to learn English. The part is that its first part is that for the training purpose. Once you need to go for a training, you need to learn or you need to know English, because without English you cannot go for a training. Then the part comes is the content. Content means what it have, means what do you have. For training you need to have something. So what is that content? Every company has a different content of it. Means the content differs, the thing differs. I'll just show you, it doesn't matter. Then the part of learning means in the company you need to learn something, because every company has a uh, different scenarios from one to one. It differs from the part. And the fourth very important point is that platform independent. I'll just give you an example. Right, I'm showing you this is what a simple pen. So if you need to speak on the pen, what would you say? It's a pen, or I'm holding a pen. The color of the pen is green and maybe it's black. So you can say it's a combination of two colors, green and black. Uh, it's a dot pen. Nowadays people use gel, but this is not a gel, it's a dot pen. It has a riffle. It is a beautiful type of switch. See, if I press it, it's just get closed, and when I push it, it's open. So it's a beautiful thing. It's not so costly, it's quite cheap one, though I got it as a gift. Uh, Now, from the company, I won't be showing the name of the company. Uh, our company also provides a pen, which is quite beautiful. Right now, I don't have that pen, but the Root Center also gives you a pen. It's quite. I hope the students have got the pen and they like the writing of it. Okay, fine. So, I got the pen from over here. You can say like this. Maybe if it is a gift, then you cannot say that what is the price of the pen. So these are the formation of sentence. I write with the pen, I write letters, I write application form, I write the date. So I keep it in my pocket. See, if I keep it like this way, just hold on, I'll just show you one particular thing. It's just fitting. See over here. I kept the pen over here, so it looks great. So these are the ways. So four parts of the training that I told you, it helps in over there. Now the next thing is that the very important part of our life is that, as I told you, this is the way you can practice. I mean, pick any words and practice. Uh, Main thing I'll tell you that the very important part of the thing is to develop a part of reading. Means we people don't have a habit of reading. We don't read. The main problem is that we people don't read. So you need to have a practice of reading. Like what? Uh, just do a thing. Read 100 pages. I'm not telling that you read in a day 100 pages. No. There's a lockdown period, so very easy for you is that take any book and read for 100 pages. Now divide the pages into part. Means if it's a 100-page book, divide the part into 5 pose at 20. So make it into divisions of, if you can go for a 4 divisions, 25 pages reading, and you can go for a 5 divisions of 20 pages reading. So divide your day. That means within the week you'll be complete the book. Means 4 days you go, but you can put a gap. If you put a gap over there, the system breaks. So makes a habit. Once you read there, you find the words. So collect the known words that you know. From there also collect the uncommon words that you do not know. Collect those words and jot it down in a diary, and take the help of a dictionary and try to find out the meanings from over there. So what helps you is that you will get the meanings. When you look at the dictionary, that not number of words, with that words you get another multiple amount of words. So with one words you're getting 2 to 3 words. So you can learn from over there. So that will help you. So just find out that, and double up your speed. Means the day by day it goes. Means after a second week when you're reading, read it quite fast. So it's called the doubling of a speed. Thus, you can start with a newspaper, but it's very. It's I would prefer you go for a storybook, because newspaper won't give you that amount of speed. Uh, the normal part of reading is that, means 5 minutes you take in reading a particular page. Means once you read a page, you need to take 5 minutes. Means you need to understand. It's not the reading doesn't mean that I look from over top to bottom. You'll just look. It's finished. No, when you read, you have to understand the meaning, you have to understand what are you reading. See, sometimes what happens, the part that you are reading are quite interesting to you, and sometimes it does happens that the things that you are reading, you're not interested in what you are reading, just you're going on and on. So that helps you. So you need to understand what are you reading, it should be important over there. So the reading is very important. So good, see, remember one thing, good English is important, but it's not mandatory. If you learn English to get a good job, but remember one thing, life without English is worth nothing. So you need to learn English, stay back home, stay safe, learn English, improve yourself. And for any further information, join our Root Computer Training Center. Call over there, the numbers are given over here. Call and talk to the assistant, talk to the experts over there. I hope they will guide you the right way. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.